Good evening to Dr. Faiz and Puan Aslina. I'm Kok Zhang and I'm here to present my PSM2, which is with the title of Real-Time Object Detection for Inventory Management. Okay, so my project is about real-time object detection for inventory management, which is a technique that uses computer vision and machine learning algorithms to automatically detect and identify objects within an inventory. So this technology can be used to improve the accuracy and efficiency of inventory management tasks, such as counting and tracking items, monitoring stock levels, and identifying missing or misplaced items. So real-time object detection can be implemented using cameras, and this project implement with Tiny YOLOv3. The objective of this project, there's 3 objectives in this project, which is to develop a real-time vision-based object recognition system for grocery inventory management to utilize computer vision and machine learning technique to automatically detect and identify objects within an inventory. Then the second one, to develop a graphical user interface of a mobile application for monitoring the quantity of grocery inventory and alerting the staff if the quantity is below a certain threshold. And the last objective is to test and evaluate the performance of the real-time vision-based object recognition system in terms of accuracy, efficiency, and overall effectiveness in managing grocery inventory. And so there is some literature and there is some study that before this project is created. So automated inventory management system using barcodes is one of the study before this project. So barcode technology are widely used in inventory management field is because barcode are able to create in many different patterns, which has changed on the width and space on the barcode. And the second studies is automated inventory management system using RFID. The RFID system is booked as marketing item with RFID tag, and RFID tag is contain the information for transfer to various RFID reader in different locations. Automated inventory management system using object detection is also one of the study that to proceed to the real-time object detection in inventory management. So the system with object detection that using convolutional neural network algorithms to run the whole systems. The object detection-based inventory management helps to monitor the product and help to reduce the manpower and increase the profit. Okay, so next I will proceed to the methodology. So the methodology of this project, the first step we're going to do on this project is we will collecting the data set. I take three simple data set for this project, which is three simple data set, which is three different type of canned food. I am brand ikan sardine, I am brand ikan mackerel, and sawi jawi ikan sardines. After after I chose these 3 canned food, I start collecting the data by taking photo on different side of this canned food. Then after I collect numbers of picture of this canned food, then I will upload these photos to RoboFlow to annotate the image, which annotation is the terms of to let the Tiny YOLOv3 models to learn through the images, which is annotate region. So the Tiny YOLOv3 will learn through the images on the annotate region. And then after I annotate, then the annotation datasets will form to another file, which will compile into another file, which is we call it as with file. With this with file, the dataset will learn through the models of Tiny YOLOv3 will learn through this dataset to understand and recognize the object. So yes, this is the step of the step of methodology, and next we will proceed to the result and discussion. And first, this model is successful to detect the canned food, which is as expected. It can recognize ikan sardine, iron brand ikan sardine, iron brand ikan mackerel, and Sawinjari ikan sardines. And the next is after it recognized this object and it's successful to upload to the Excel form, and which we call it as database. With this Excel form, we can monitoring through the apps on this Excel form and to know what's the information of the product on the certain time. Okay, so on figure 7, we can see that the phone MIT apps run can read the data can read the Excel form data simultaneously once the camera detect the object. This is my project, overall project, and here goes the conclusion. Real-time item detection for inventory management is a system that integrates components of artificial intelligence with the Internet of Things, which this project is successful. Proof that artificial can be works with works with Internet of Things, and a real-time object recognition system that can track the product in real time is the system's main objective. Which means the first objective to develop this project has reached out the first objectives, which is to develop real-time vision-based object recognition system for grocery inventory management. So the algorithm of object detection has demonstrated its functions as a human replacement. This project has proved that the technology is able to solve the issue time and manpower. An inventory management system can be monitored using created application from phones, tablet, to the use of application. So that's all for my presentation.